What is up, my fellow munchies? It's your boy Mo here, and today we are at Best Pizza in Brooklyn and got a little review for y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, see how they got a little basil on here? They just kind of threw it on. I guess it's a garnish. Who knows? Got a lot of flop, but cheese, really good. Sauce is flavored very well. Unfortunately, it's got no crisp on the underside. Got a little bit right here on the crust, but it's kind of like a soggy pizza, unfortunately. But great flavor overall. And on to the next one. I decided to get the grandma slice because really Shopper Snacks wanted it. You know, happy wife, happy life. But we're about to try it. Let's see. Okay, grandma slice. I think they did much better on the grandma slice than the original. Cheese, same thing, flavored very well. Sauce, excellent. Crust, crunchy, got that olive oil taste to it, flavorful. This is all around fantastic. The normal cheese slice, I'm gonna have to give it 6 munchies out of 10. The cheese was excellent. The sauce had tons of flavor. You're just lacking in the crispiness department, guys. I don't know, maybe it's an off day, but it just wasn't doing it for me. Now, the grandma slice was the truth. Bruh, sauce was on point. Sauce was better than the other one. They had little chunks of tomato in it. The flavors were just so intense. You had like little garlic undertone, like you could taste like onion in it or onion powder. You got like the oregano. Guys, it's just, oh my God. Like every bite you took was just better than the last. I went from like depression to over the moon with this one. The crust, guys, this crust, crunchy, olive oily, just a little piece of heaven. I just got one last thing to add though. Just guys, get close to the screen and turn your headphones up. Y'all ready? That's what heaven sounds like. But the rating, guys, I'm gonna have to give this one a 9 munchies out of 10. Just freaking phenomenal. I'm speechless. I wanna cry. I just wanna cry. Question: what is your favorite pizza joint? I would definitely love to know. I'm always on the hunt for pizza, so let me know in the comments below. Doesn't matter what city, what state, what country. If it's good, I will eventually get to it. Don't you worry. I will travel for food. All right, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Smash that subscribe, and just make sure y'all do me a favor, tap that bell so you get more notifications of future food reviews from your boy, Mo Munchies. And as always, until next time, munch on. Smash that subscribe. Bruh! Oh, almost dropped my piece of you! But I saved it. You didn't save my phone though. No love. Bro! You know, tap that bell. Make sure you get more food review.
It's okay. Start over.